Here we are on the fitness course. Sydney's doing her one-handed push-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, Sid.